Thank you. And now I'd like to play one of my favorite numbers with Alan Roth's orchestra and the Swingsters. It's You Made Me Love You.
You made me love you. I didn't want to do it. I didn't want to do it. You made me want you. And all the time you do it, I guess you'll always do it. You made me happy sometimes. You made me glad. But there were times, dear, you made me feel so bad. You made me sigh for. I didn't want to tell you. I didn't want to tell you. I want some love that's true. Yes, you know I do. Give me what I cry for. You know you got the brand of kisses that I die for. You know you made me love you.